Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today. Be Glam sent me the Take Me Home kit, the famous Take Me Home kit. And friends, I'm so in love with the packaging. So pink, so much sweet. The heart, oh, it's just me. If you know me, you know this is just me. And I know you've noticed my nails. These nails are from my Rosalind collab. I'll have that video linked in the cards once it's out because it's coming out right after this one. So just subscribe and join the family so I can see you on my next upload. Okay, so let's see what's inside this envelope. I love the greeting, hello gorgeous, because I am. Okay, let's be serious now. So on the first page, they have like some really positive words of affirmations, like for confidence and like introducing themselves a little bit. And then they've got on the next page some really important notes when using Polygel, specifically this, like tips, do's and don'ts, stuff like that. And then on the back, you have a step-by-step picture tutorial on how to use the Polygel kit properly. And if you follow these instructions, you won't need to watch like a video or anything. You can just follow it and do a full set of nails and they'll come out beautiful. Now for the lamp, it's pretty simple. It's just a mini UV LED lamp. It comes with a USB cord and the color is so beautiful, by the way. This lamp is not motion sensor, so you have to press a little button at the back to put it on and then it stays on until you put it off. Okay, so for the dual forms, you guys know I'm not the biggest fan of dual forms, but I do like these ones because they don't curve too much and they're also a pretty decent length. Also, it comes in a stiletto shape, which I think is so cool. I'm actually getting tempted to do a full set with the dual forms just to get this stiletto shape and see how it looks. Okay, so we've got base coat, top coat, and the Polygel brush is so nice. I love the feel, feels very premium. It's got the brush on one end and the steel pusher pen on the other. This pink brush reminds me a bit of my 𝐁𝐼𝐬𝐬𝐵 brush, except it's a little shorter, but overall I'm excited to see how it works. And for the file, feels pretty sturdy. It's got a very coarse 100 grit, which I like. Okay, I've talked a lot now. I'm gonna let you guys listen to some music, enjoy the video. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment to let me know your thoughts. Enjoy the video, everyone.
I just wanna be ready for the summer. 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 I just wanna be ready for the summer.
Hey, watch out what you got. Try. This shit come easy when I'm with my slimes. Yeah, pop a bean, keep my system clean. Been drinking water, be like kerosene. Caught you busting a move. I'm just sauce acting stupid. Love just hide on in Cupid. I'm with my dogs, yeah, we grooving. 4 on the floor, that's a drug I'm abusing. I'll show you the grass is green or whatever it is. Your feet on music, pumping out the speakers. I can't help but get this feeling. I can't help but get this feeling. I can't stop it. Get this feeling. If I'ma make it out alive. I got my friends, got my lady right by my side. Always hoping, yeah, you know the vibe. Speaker bumping got me feeling like back in the car on the way to your apartment. I thought by now I'd see it clearer, but what I need isn't the same as what I'm wanting. 'Cause whenever I'm feeling down, I lean right into my demons. Oh, yeah, I wish I could turn around, knowing I'm better off leaving. Oh, I don't have a good catch, I just got some bad habits, lighting up the wrong match. Why does it feel right when it isn't? I'm a good catch,
it's just bad falling for you. I know I'm a good catch, I just got some bad habits. I ain't the wrong match. Why does it feel right when it isn't? I'm a good catch, maybe it's just bad falling for you.
So yummy. These nails were giving me so much sweet vibes. I had to have something yummy, and that iced coffee just hit the spot. It was so random, I know, but it was so nice. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But that's all for me, guys. Thank you so much to Be Glam for sending me this package. I'm so in love with these nails. The products were amazing. I have zero complaints, literally zero. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.